In this quick video, I will show how to full screen Windows 10 in VirtualBox easily. Let's jump to the point. So very first open your VirtualBox, then click on Devices, then click on Insert Guest Editions. Then in your virtual Windows 10, open My Computer or This PC. You should now see the CD drive of VirtualBox Guest Editions. Simply open the CD drive, then open VBox Windows Editions. Now simply install it. Reboot your Windows 10 inside VirtualBox. Now click on View, and then click on Full Screen Mode. It will take some seconds, so wait for less than 10 seconds, and it will automatically go full screen. Well, now you can eject guest editions to the CD drive if you're done. Check this playlist for more useful VirtualBox tutorials just like this. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.